In this tutorial, we will show you how to create fuel cards and where to use them. Let's navigate to Items and select Fuel Cards. Click on Create. Let's enter the info we have from our physical fuel card to the system. Fuel card type can be for a car or canister. After we fill out the info, select the vehicle this card is used for, but this is not mandatory. Lastly, you can select a worker if they have their own fuel card for better tracking. Let's go over the fields. At the top, we can filter out the cards. On the right, we can delete them. If needed, you can easily edit anything directly from the table. When it comes to entries, let's click on Finances and select Refueling and Electric Charging. On this page, you will be adding entries for refueling. We will explain this in more detail in another tutorial. But let me show you how to add an entry with a fuel card. Project is optional. This is only selected if a machine or vehicle is always on a certain project. That way, fuel cost will be calculated within the project's report. After we select the fuel card option, we just fill out the information that was given by the employee or project lead. Refuel entry can also be added on mobile application by workers, which can be approved or declined. Usually, the employee will have a slip after a refuel is done, hence the option to add an attachment. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions.